Yo, what's up guys? This is Lance Spidey and we are back in another Fortnite video. So today for you guys we're going to play some Marvel Knockout with Sing Gaming 705. So make sure you drop a like and sub. And make sure you subscribe to his channel. His channel name is Sing Gaming 705. Make sure you like his all videos. Ready up Sing Gaming?
Okay, bro, can you like be can you please like listen to me and agree with me? Can we play some creative to Marvel Knockout?
Yeah.
Yeah, just ready up and let's play some Marvel Knockout and then we'll play some creative and we'll do yeet.
We'll just poop on some gamers.
Yeah,
Poop John.
get destroyed. What about Adi? What about Adi?
I don't know why Adi is not coming, but he's extended away for some reason. I joined his party, but he didn't say anything.
Hello, bro. You know that controller disconnecting glitch with the Xbox. That happened to me right now. That's why my voice cut.
Yeah, that happens to me also. Like, you know. Oh, I got Doom, my favorite. Let's go.
I got Wolverine, baby.
Oh, nice. Let's freaking
Bro,
go.
we are gonna poop on some gamers
Let's
right
just
now.
poop on. Poop, boy.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Come here, you bot soccer skin. Come here.
You little bot soccer skin. Iron Man is the best, boys.
Yes,
Iron Man
sir.
on the top.
Unibeam 150, bro. It's
Baby.
so cool.
Bro,
Like the
this
meme.
guy is. Bro, this guy is literally infinite health.
He's not dying.
Yeah. Actually, this is the lobby. That's why.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm damaging them so bad. Like in this amount of damage, I would have killed like 16 people in
I
a row,
know.
I think.
I have the
But this
Unibeam
default
also.
is popping. I also.
You have the
Baby.
Unibeam. Let's go to double Unibeam. It will be so
Yeah,
OP,
when
bro.
I'm going to say, then we are going to do double OP, that unibeam, bro. It's gonna
Yo.
do 300 damage, bro.
300
That's gonna be
damage, man.
overpowered, bro.
That will be like overpowered. Why this lobby
And
is not
guys,
starting?
I am not streaming from a month or so because what happened is like my controller, actually not my controller got some problem, and after that what happened is my laptop, the streaming laptop from which I connect my apps together to stream, got some virus in it, and after that I stopped streaming. So when it's going to be repaired, I'm going to come back into streaming, guys. So stay connected in my channel, and yeah, I'll post you guys with some amazing content of streaming. I do not make any videos, and please do subscribe to Ridhan Spidey because he's an amazing guy. He makes amazing content, and you know what? We also do some prank video in Fortnite, so we will post that too.
Yo, guys, please subscribe to Sing Gaming 705 right now. I will write in the description and in the comments. So please go subscribe to him right now.
Bruh, Lucky Lighthouse, nice.
Yeah,
Let's
Loki's
destroy,
nice.
bro. Let's clap some cheeks.
Let's just poop on these gamers.
Yeah.
How many times
I'm
I've said
landing
that?
on this thing. I think million times.
I'm gonna land on this thing. It will be
Bro,
more
enemy
easier.
up on me, enemy on me, enemy on me.
Oh, this is Doom, bro.
Damaged him, cracked him. Bro, there's no fall damage
Low,
in this
low.
game mode. I forgot.
150
Bro,
cracked.
Doom is 150 cracked.
Nice.
Got
Nice,
him.
bro. Nice.
Got
nice,
him.
nice.
We got the first LM. Bro, to be honest, these kids are shit. Don't mind me. Bro,
I
got
know,
him
bro.
too. Bro, these kids are bad. Bro, Doom is cracked. Doom is cracked. I am 1 HP. I'm 1
Unibeam.
HP.
Dead.
Let's go, baby.
Oh my god, that's such
One
a
more,
fraud.
one more. Bro, I'm grooting away.
Groot away, Groot
Where's
away.
this kid, bro?
This
Bro, I'm
kid,
behind him. I am like punching him with my brute. Punching or whatever that is called.
Unibeam white, bro, white. One shot. Oh,
Nice. Bro, do
Oh,
more,
no,
do
he
on you.
eliminated me.
Oh, sorry. Ah,
Run away,
they
run
got
away.
their first LMs, bro. Huh?
Oh, are you kidding me? How did they get us?
Because like we were not in a good health. Bro, you killed him? I also unibeamed him.
Yeah, it was so cool. Double Unibeam. Right in the face.
Yeah, that guy got like finessed, you know.
Like he would be like, no, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for killing you guys.
Come here, Doom.
Boy,
Bro, how am I missing these right now? Bro, where is this guy's teammate? Did he
oh my
left?
god, he's focusing on me right now.
Bro, got
Nice.
him, no problem. You just groot ball away to heal.
I
Bro,
don't
where
have,
is this
I don't
guy's
have,
teammate? His teammate ran or something?
he left the game, I think.
Yeah. Oh shit! Shit! Bro, I didn't got it. Oh, doing it.
Bro, he's
Bro, I
one shot,
messed
one
it
shot.
up so
One shot.
bad. Bro, he's in by one shot.
him.
Let's go. Oh,
You,
nice,
you
bro. We
group
are
ball, you group
popping.
ball, yes.
What's popping?
What's poppin',
Come
kids?
on, dude. Holy.
150. Oh no, I didn't
Holy
hit him.
Jarvis.
That was so close.
Bro, 150'd him.
Nice. Oh,
Nice.
one health. One health.
Bro, I am 1 HP, bro. I wasn't 1 HP, but I'm getting healed from this guy's ability. Wolverine, yeah. Come on, you wanna see some cranky?
Oh no,
There's
I hit
a-
him 150. I hit him 150.
Bro,
He's
how did I
leaving
miss
me
that?
right in the face, bro.
Bro, I'm running because I'm dead. Bro, please help me. Spidey, come fast.
Coming,
I'll
coming.
die because I have I'm so low health. I know you can kill that kid, bro. I have believe in
Got
you.
him.
Nice.
You're such
Nice.
a bot.
Who, me?
No. This guy, Doom.
Oh,
Doom
bro.
guy.
Oh, he's camping in the air? No, he's coming down.
Boy, if you don't,
But
150
I
meteor.
didn't cracked him, I think. Oh, I think I
Crack,
cracked him.
crack.
I'm
No.
gonna be him.
I'm 5
Shit,
health.
man, I missed.
5 health.
You go back, I'm killing this kid.
Dead.
Bro, you are so pro, man. I'm so trash, man.
Bro, no, you're not.
Bro, I
that bad.
grooted brawl in the mid-air, bro.
Bro, just come close to me. I will also heal.
No, you will?
Yes.
I don't know that.
Oh,
Where is
150
he?
meteor. I hit him 150 meteor.
Bro, you didn't. You lied
Oh,
to
yeah.
me?
No, I actually hit him.
Bro, he got killed by the storm.
He got killed by
No,
the
he
gas
got killed by
can.
the gas can.
I
Bro,
told you he
in
was
the
low.
air. Bro, like I did him 150 damage and then I popped the gas can. That kid got bobbed. I'm doing the Billy Bouncy mode. Let's go, baby. And guys, if you wanna join in Ridhan Spidey's giveaway, so he will do a giveaway at 1K subs. So please let him do that giveaway and please give him some subs.
Oh, please
So,
give
Spidey,
subs
what's your
to Sing
plan?
Gaming also.
So Spidey, what's your plan of the giveaway? What are you giving away to the fans when you
I'm
get
actually
1K
giving
subs?
away the 13,000 V-Bucks gift card. So if you want to redeem it fast, so redeem it. The first person to
One-
redeem it, he will win.
One card? No, the guy, like, you do some things, no, like some challenges they have to do, and then they will get the amount. Those
Yeah.
guys are up. I'm just trying to throw the mystic bomb. Holy.
I will do a
Holy
face reveal
Jarvis.
also when I hit 1K subs.
Same here, guys. Bro, Iron Man low, Iron Man low. Bro.
Nice.
Golden
The
Iron
one
Man
shot.
low.
Bro, cracked.
Cracked him.
Oh, my
Cracked him.
controller disconnected.
So that's the problem. Got him.
I know.
That's the problem with the Xbox control. That's the main problem.
Yeah, that's the main problem.
Bro, that's the guy behind you.
Holy! He hit me so hard.
Shit,
I'm
bro,
dead.
you built it in front of me. My mystical bomb got like blocked. Bro, I got you. I got you.
We got this, Singy. We got this, bro.
No. Bro, these guys are low, but they are killing me too. Bro, I changed them. Bro, Iron Man 1 HP, you kill him. They are focusing on me.
Low.
Bro, both are like so low, man.
Dog got one.
Let's go.
Just focus
Where's
on this guy.
Iron Man? What's
He's running
poppin',
away.
kids?
He's waiting for his teammate to come.
I got this. Oh shit.
Where is he? Got him. Got a revenge.
Bro, I'm sorry, my controller disconnected.
Yeah, I know, it's the problem. That's the problem.
I leveled up. How? How in the world did I level up? How in the world? Bro,
Oh,
I
bro,
used my
he's beamed.
ability, but it did not launch to me in the air.
He's beamed.
Bro, 16 minus? Is that kid?
That kid is very low. I'm just gonna say.
Bro, that Whiplash kinda looking skin is low. Bro,
Yeah,
I'm getting beamed from this Iron Man, bro.
yeah. The Iron Man goblet has aimbots. Bro, the Iron Man
Bro,
is
this
one
Whiplash
shot.
looking skin
Got
is
him.
one. Bro, he
Nice,
got
he got
killed
it.
from the
He died to
storm.
the storm. What a bot. He died to the
Yeah.
storm.
Bro, they have like only 2 kills. What?
They are such a bots.
How many do we have? We
Oh
have
my god,
5.
I'm dead.
Bro, what are you doing? I'm also dead because I have no healables. And I don't have any ability to heal me up. Come
Yeah,
fast.
now you can't
These
get up
guys left
also.
or what?
These
Are they
guys
up,
left?
Spidey?
Did these guys? Bro, they gave up. They gave up. Bro. Oh no, they are over
Literally.
here. They are over here. This is.
Bro, I'm gonna die to the storm because I don't have anything to
It's
build.
okay, it's
You
okay.
fight, I'm coming. I got this in the bag, bro.
Got one.
We got this in the bag, Spidey. We got this in the bag.
No, they
You
are
know?
AFK also.
Where are these kids? Bro, these guys literally are saying, oh shit, we are not gonna fight because we're trash cans. Where's his teammate, bro? In this house?
I killed
said
him
this house.
already. I killed him.
Nice. These guys are mid-air, bro.
These guys
No,
are
they're
bots.
not even in the air, bro. They left.
They left the game. They were like
These
so
guys
broke.
were loser, bro.
They were so
Not
broke.
mine. Yeah, they were so broke.
They got like 2 kills. We literally gave them the free kills by dying to the storm.
Yeah. We get them. Bro, are we losing or what? Do we have
No,
less
we are
kills?
winning. We are winning. Yeah.
We have 9 kills, right? Let's go. Free dub.
Free dub, boys.
Bro, these kids literally gave us the freest dub in the world.
I know, bro.
Easiest.
Oh, they're
Bro, I think
kind
we're
of
gonna lose this one because
the left skin is kind of sweaty.
yeah, Sweaty or might be like good at the game because she has anonymous mode on her, I guess. Or I am just a trash can.
No, you're not a trash can, bro. Don't say that.
Bro,
Oh,
I
I got
am
shield.
Iron Man, baby! Baby!
Baby, I got She-Hulk.
You also got the Iron Man?
Bro, let's go. Let's kill these bots.
Bro,
Come
Ruby,
here.
that Ruby kind of looking skin.
40?
Where is he? Where is he? Where is she? Bro, minus, bro, white HP, bro, white HP.
Bro,
1 HP, 1 HP, 1 HP, 1 HP.
1 HP, bro.
Bro, bully warrior low, bro, bully warrior low. Bully warrior low, bully warrior low. Bully warrior low,
Dead.
bully warrior low. Bro, bully warrior is so low, help me.
40.
Bro, I hit her for the Thor ability. Got her. Help me, bro.
No. 100? Your controller is
Bro, other
connected.
guy is also low, bro. If I would get the Unibeam, I would destroy these kids, bro. I love the Unibeam.
Oh my gosh.
Are you alive?
Yes, I am.
Thank you for
102.
helping me.
Holy.
Get away from me, bully shitting warrior. Bro, this guy is not good at the game, but she's using her abilities like nicely.
Yeah.
Where's this bully warrior skin, man? Bro, this bully warrior is one. Oh shit.
Yeah, the bully warrior is very low, bro.
Bro, actually she has the Iron Man thing too, you know. She got everything. Bro,
nice.
I got her.
Oh no, bro, you have to kill her. She is very low. One shot.
Actually?
Yeah, I hit her so hard.
Actually, she's pushing me like she has 400 health right now.
No, bro.
Bro, got her.
Told you.
Just 2-tapped her. Bro, bully warrior minus 40.
Noise.
Bro, no, bro.
100.
Bro, I thawed myself.
What? How did you thought yourself?
I don't know, I just did.
Holy!
I got you, bro.
I finished one in the storm.
Bro, this bully warrior is so
Got
low.
him.
Nice, Spidey. Where is this teammate, bro?
Oh my gosh. He's probably
These
gonna
guys
focus
are
me.
not even that bad. These guys are just decent.
Yeah, they're decent. I'm just trying to.
Bro, come here, bro. Get like stormed. Get away from me, you dumb looking skin.
Oh
You
no, I'm
smell so
17
bad.
health.
You smell so bad. You smell like
No.
a dog who haven't bathed from 1 million years. Go away, kids. Bro, shit,
Run
I'm
away,
gonna die
bro.
to the
No.
storm. Bro, what is the score?
It's 5-5. We have the first elimination, but
Bro, you know what? We should camp.
yeah, camping is better
Camp.
idea. Oh, they're
Bro,
nowhere
shit,
here.
these guys found us. Bro, Ruby skin is cracked. This is
100.
what skin, bro? Is this Ruby or what?
55, bro. I hit him for 155. He's
Crack the
gone
Woolly
for.
Warrior, crack the Woolly Warrior, bro.
They both are like low.
Yeah, Woolly Warrior
100.
is like
Yes,
super
whoa,
duper
I got
low.
one.
Bro, I got killed. Sorry, bro.
I killed this. I killed this. Nice.
I just need the Unibeam right now, bro. If I would have the Unibeam, I would destroy these kids.
I know.
Bro, 100 this Woolly Warrior, 100 this Woolly Warrior.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Come in.
She
40.
100 me, she 100 me. This Ruby kind of looking skin is
Oh, nice.
got her. Woolly Warrior 1, Woolly Warrior is white, bro.
Bro, 40 white.
Bro, 60 white, bro, 100 white. Bro, she stormed.
Dead.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Did we won? Let's
Yes,
go,
we did.
baby. Let's win the finals and get this top real quick.
Yo, yes, sir.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Bro, these guys are gonna be sweaty because they are in the fine. Bro, heli carrier, baby.
Heli carrier, man.
Bro, please give me some good. Please give me some goodies. Please give me some goodies.
Wolverine.
She Hulk. Let's go. Bro, I cannot come down. Oh, now I can. Bro,
Yeah.
I got the She-Hulk.
Let's go. I have the Wolverine.
Nice.
Oh my, the default is very low.
Actually,
Yes. Oh,
Where's the
and I
default?
cracked the duels.
bro, I cracked the default. Bro,
Oh,
these
no.
guys are good. Bro, these guys are so good.
No, they are good. They are very good. They are good.
Bro, I spawned under the helicarrier.
Yeah, I also like it's you
Come
know.
up with me. Bro, I don't want to fight these kids. I just want to fight them when there is 1 minute, you know? Just fly in the air till then because that's not a movie thing. That's kind of strategy. Because, oh, bro, you already fighting?
Yeah,
Even tell me.
got one.
Got the default.
I like he was so low.
Yeah, the both of the guys were low, man. They both were
Yeah.
one tap.
I'm gonna heal up with the Wolverine claws.
Yeah, there's a guy on this thing. Help me, Spidey. Default on me. Default is, default is better than the jewels, I guess. Bro, default is cracked almost.
Oh
Cracked the
no,
default.
I died. Bro, just don't die.
Baby!
Yes,
Bro,
nice.
default is like one tap, man. Bro, I hate this. I'm running away. Spidey, I need your help.
Yes,
Fast.
yes.
Bro, default is 1 XP, Spidey.
Yes, I know.
He's like one tap of anything, bro.
Got him.
Don't let him heal. Nice, bro. You're the best.
Cracked. Bro, very low.
Where's she? Got her. Let's go,
Nice.
baby. Bro, we gotta win this. Bro, default
hide.
behind you. Default behind
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Bro, I missed that. Bro, default over there. Bro, I'm running.
Yeah, run away.
Bro, right now, just run and get 200 health. Then fight, bro. Just
Yeah,
run away
because-
right now. I got your back. You just run. Okay?
Holy.
Oh, bro, I got in the storm shit.
Yeah, me too. I also got in the storm.
Juice on me, Juice cracked. Juice 1 XP.
Got him.
Let's go, baby. Bro, we gotta do this divide and rule. Oh, shit.
I'm hiding under the stairs.
I'm hiding under this thing. Oh, he found me. Baby. Bro, look at me. Where am I?
Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm coming in this safe zone. Bro, what's the score? I cannot really see it because my HUD scale is so
Bro, like
small.
it's 5-3.
We are 5?
Yes.
Nice. Run.
No, don't die. No! Please no. No, God!
It's like decent. Get the jewels. I think I cracked jewels, but I did not
Oh
hear the
no.
sound of cracking. Bro, I'm coming. Don't fight alone. Bro, if I would come up, I would get strong
Holy
damage.
smokes! I'm trying to run as fast as I can.
Who is low? Default is 1 HP.
Go. It's 9 seconds. One kill.
Shit, I'm running.
Bro,
What's the
no.
score? What's the score?
It's 5-5.
We won?
No, we
No.
lost.
Sorry, bro.
It's okay.
Hanji Dadu. Hanji. आपका कम है, आपका सीरियस कम है. पापा क्या है 31. पापा होने वाले नेगेटिव मतलब. हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ये वाला भेज दो. बाय बाय. रिजान, एक बात बतानी है. मैंने कल ना म्यूट है ना पक्का. वीडियो तो नहीं चल भाई, वीडियो के बाद बताऊंगा, ठीक है. भाई माइक ऑन कर ले.
You guys, I'm back. This is my last match, okay? Then I have to like go.
Spidey, I just want to talk to you something after the video, okay?
Okay.
Though this guy is season 4.
I know, elite agent, you know.
Yeah, these guys might be sweaty or these guys might be so trash. Huh?
I
It
don't
might
know.
be the elite age, bro. Bro, UTV man, the Iron Man.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'm not calm, bro. These kids are done for.
I'm gonna land up here, okay?
Come fast, little kids. Bro, one on you, a storm looking thing on you.
Okay. Probably
That
as the Iron Man, so
Bro, I missed it. Wow. Bro, that guy in the air is
I need to Groot ball.
That guy in the front of you is white.
Oh.
Bro, this guy is not even that good, this haze skin. Haze skin 1 HP, 1 HP.
Dead.
Nice. Bro, actually I'm low, so I'm running away.
Oh, I cancelled this Groot ball. Holy, he hit me.
Bro. Spidey.
No, I hit him so hard.
Spidey, we gotta get this dog.
We gotta get it. Holy.
Bro, that guy is 1 HP. That guy is white. I wanna see this. Please go
Scooby-Doo.
for a minute. Scooby-Doo Papa.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, that...
Can you try to kill someone? Yeah, he unibeamed me, obviously. Obviously.
Bro, we are gonna lose this so bad.
I
The
know.
A skin is decent, but the other Nickmark skin is like sweaty as hell, bro.
Yeah, bro, they're like really sweaty.
Bro, I got uni-beamed.
Get over here.
Bro, that haze skin killed me because my uni-beam did not charge. What's the score, bro?
It's like 1-3, bro.
We are dying. We are losing this one. Haze skin 150 got her. Her teammate white. Her teammate is white, bro. Try to get her teammate, please. Haze
Yes.
skin is white, bro.
The Doom is can't hit Brider, but it can. Oh, I got him.
Bro, that elite agent is cracked.
Oh, I hit him
I'm
100.
going on her.
Bro, elite agent is one shot. He's so low. So low.
Where?
We got her.
Nice. Bro, his skin is. Oh shit, I got beam. And his skin is good. Ah! 20 HP, bro. She can like one tap me with the Iron Man mythic. Oh no!
Just try not to miss your beam shots, bro.
Bro, I missed all of them. Almost.
Oh no, it's 4-5.
Bro, we gotta get this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Bro, we got like one kill, then we can win.
Drop it like a drum, bro. But they got the first, LM.
No, we have the first. We have the first.
We have the first.
Oh yes, sir.
Bro, that next mark skin is low. The
Guy
Hay
is
skin
one
was
shot.
that skin.
He's one
Is
shot.
that the next mark one? Yeah, bro, Hay skin is one.
Just we gotta kill someone fast.
Not one. Oh, bro, both of them are white. Whom should I
Bro, we
kill?
gotta kill someone fast. This is pressure. No, this is pressure.
I got the Hay skin.
Nice, we need one more kill. The elite agent is very low.
Get her. No, we lost.
No, we lost.
We lost, right?
Yup.
Okay, so you wanna end the video or you wanna play some creative?
Yeah,
Bro, the elite agent was 18 HP, man.
I'll play some creative.
Okay, so can you end the vid right now and then we will,
Alright, it's okay now. We'll do it in the video also.
Okay. I just want to talk something to you. Bro, actually I got my thing, so, I'm going to call you from a number today. Just pick that number, okay?
Okay,
A
bro.
random number on your mom's phone. Just put creative.
Okay. Okay. Oh, we almost did it, bro.
Yeah, bro, that elite agent was 18, bro. That sucked because, like, I was in the air. I missed my unibeam thrice because what happened once a guy, like, thawed me and I went in the air so up high. And then I used my Silver Surfer and then I cancelled it. I used my unibeam and I was like almost 100 meters above the Fortnite world land, and then I missed my unibeam because it did not had the range till there.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I got the default pickaxe today.
Bro, like look at this Intel skin.
Yeah,
Viewers,
it's
I
good
got the
actually.
viewers. I got this skin, Intel skin, exclusive.
It's an Intel exclusive, guys.
Yeah.
Whoever has an Intel core, I guess, they can like get this skin. You just guys search up on the YouTube how to get it, and then you guys would get it. Bro, I put the map already.
Oh, okay, nice. I was trying to put it, but it's not showing maps and somehow.
Bro, I'm feeling so hot right now.
Mm-hmm.
Break, buddy.
Desert zone.
Budgie, break, budgie. Bro, what happens if you use somebody's creator code?
I think they will get money.
From you, or what would happen?
No, if there's some, they buy some like if they buy some V-Bucks, like if they buy something from
If
the
I
item
buy
shop.
some V-Bucks and I purchase some items from the item shop, they will get money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm supporting the creator of this map. Shout out to that guy. I cannot pronounce his name, but you can see his name on the top of the screen of our
Yeah.
X5 of Aquad X5D. The guy is good actually. He made like so many good islands. I think he's a bot, bro. You know what, Spidey? I know a robot whose level is 10,000.
I know, bro. Me too. I met him. It's like
Met
Anas.
him?
Yeah, its name is
His name is
Anas.
46 the Nils, है ना?
Yeah.
He's a Fortnite bot created, but I don't know how my friend has him in his friend list.
Like he just sends a friend request automatically. Then I blocked him.
Yeah, bro, I too, bro. I was like scared that my account is gonna get hacked or something.
Yeah.
Bro, how did I miss that?
So
Not so
bad at this game.
trash. Bro, I got a heavy shotgun. You serious?
GG.
GG, 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 BG, BG, GG, BG.
Yeet. Yeet. Yeet.
After this 10 rounds, I think we should over the bit because it's going to be very long, I guess. But
Yeah, it's
otherwise,
like
it's your choice.
yeah, it's like 30 minutes right now.
It's already 30 minutes?
Yeah, it's like for oh no, 31 minutes.
Bro, like we should only play 4 more rounds and end the video. It's
Yeah,
kind of be, it's going to be a stream.
not going to be a stream, bro. I can stream, but I'm not. I do not like to stream. Oh my,
Bro,
that was so close. I just got the lucky headshot over there. Oh my god.
bro, I hit you the headshot for 66. You serious?
Yeah, the combat
The
shotgun is
combat
trash.
sucks,
I know, it sucks.
right?
Yeah, it
It
does.
sucks bad, man.
Two more
Again
rounds
a
and
blue
we.
combat. Are you relooting, bro?
No, I'm not. I have the blue combat.
Oh, I am also not relooting. Bro, I love the OG throwback pickaxe.
I know. But I'm wearing this pickaxe for now. For now.
Bro, like that pickaxe is like so classy.
I know. 10 damage.
Baby.
Oh, no, I messed up.
Bro, your roof is messed up. Oh shit.
Yeah. That's,
Just fix it up. I'm not gonna kill you.
fixed it.
Nice. Bro, you know our Gidgida SMG?
Yeah, I love that SMG.
I have that right now.
Me too.
Bro, we have the same loot or what?
Nah.
Bro, cracked you.
I'm so
You are
dead.
9 HP shit.
You're 9 HP?
Sorry guys. I said that word in the word.
Holy! 52, 52, 52, 50.
Break the wall. No, wall.
Why don't
Come
you hit
on.
it? God damn!
No. Wanna play this shit. Oosh.
Oh!
Mama.
Oh my god, 42 health!
What, you have 42 health?
Yeah.
Only?
No shields, yes.
Bro, like, I think I'm dead right now because I have less health than you. Oh no! My god!
I almost hit a shot. Oh no! 26 health. Oh my god. Yes!
Bro, you killed me. Nice. GG's. Let's play all the 10 rounds and then we would end the bit, I think. If you want. Spidey, should I tell your video viewers what prank did me and that guy did on that day?
Yeah, just tell it. I need this.
So guys, what happened? My and my friend's plan was to like my friend logged in from another account, and what happened is I told him that it's that guy, but it's not that guy. Let's tell them the guy who logged in from the another round. Let's say him uh, pickaxer, and the other guy non-comer. Okay, the pickaxer guy came from the non-comer account, and then what happened? Spidey knows him. I mean, Radhan knows him. That who is that guy? The non-comer. But the pickaxer told me to like said to Spidey, it's the non-comer guy, but it was the pickaxer guy from the non-comer account. So what happened is I came in Spidey's account. Spidey came in the like that thing creative. That guy got like super lucky. He 220 Ridhan, so I was like, okay, let's do this thing. I was like, Spidey, you're a trash can, bro. You got one pump from that guy. I was like, okay, let's see it. We played a sports game. After that, what happened? We ran some over, like some creative, and in that I troll Spidey so hard. Spidey, you're so bad. Oh man, that guy is gonna run. Non-comer is going to win. Spidey, you are so trash. Spidey got like so angry. Me and Spidey got a fight, and then in the end, I told Spidey, Spidey is just a prank. And I was recording at that time, guys. Spidey told me to not post it on the YouTube. Bro, stop playing. Spidey told me to not post it on YouTube because he was kind of embarrassed. So that's the thing.
I was
Why
really
you
mad.
do be kind of destroying me, man? Yeah,
No, no.
Spidey was super duper mad. Like he was like, I was scared that Spidey would come out of my screen and punch me in the face. Literally,
Really?
guys, I recorded that, but I did not post it on the YouTube app.
Post it later.
And
Post it later.
bro, I deleted it because you told me to not post it, and I didn't. Like I was like, Spidey's literally gonna come out of the thing,
Screen
my
and the
TV
skill.
screen, my screen, and just like come and one pump, 220 pump me in the head, bro.
I was like so mad. I was like shouting.
Bro, you got what? 88 minus, I think. A quit little
And you'll
bats.
get 100
You got
minus.
cracked. No, bro, who told you? What's up, buddy?
Only you have the pump.
Bro, I got the good guns. Bro, I have the spaz.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, buddy? Edit, edit, edit. Oh shit! If I die, bro, if I.
Oh my.
You hacker? You hacker? Bro, like you were literal one pump.
Bro, it's almost 40 minutes. I should end it.
Yeah, you ended. We'll play these 4 rounds and then I'll go.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Till then, peace.